Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, for the first, let me introduce myself before. My name is Widya Paraswati. I'm a student of English Literature Department from Speaking GK class. Alright, now I will do a paper presentation. The title of the paper is Teachers' Perceptions About the Importance of English for Young Learners, written by Ayu Oktaviani and Asahi Fauzan. The paper published on the 30th of December 2017. From Linguistics, English Education and Art or LEEA Journal. Alright, the purpose of this study was to determine the teacher's perception of the importance of English for young students in elementary schools in Lubuk Linggau Timur 1 using a research sample of 83 teachers from 4 elementary schools in Lubuk Linggau Timur 1. And then the research questions are: first, are the younger children learn new languages the better the results? Second, is it true that economic globalization has driven demand for English in form of an English-speaking workforce to meet to the needs international economic power? And the third, do children learn English from an early age social and economic benefits in a national context? And then the next, the research method. In this study, researchers used cluster random sampling. Cluster random samplings is the selection of groups or clusters of subjects rather than individuals from an existing class. The researchers grouped the entire population or 14 schools into 4 schools that were randomly selected as samples. The 4 schools are Elementary School 41 Lubuk Linggau, Elementary School 42 Lubuk Linggau, Elementary School 46 Lubuk Linggau, and Elementary School 47 Lubuk Linggau, where the number of teachers in these schools is 83 teachers who were selected as research samples. The researchers used questionnaires and interview schedules to collect data from the teachers. And the respondents were allowed to select the answer from the number of options or items. The researchers used Likert scale with 5-level Likert item: strongly disagree, disagree, neither agree nor disagree, agree, and strongly agree. The second instrument for collecting the data was interview schedule. The respondents were interviewed by researcher by using unstructured interview or open interview, where the researcher does not use systematically interview guideline in collecting the information. To analyze the research data, the researcher used descriptive analysis method by using simple basic statistical techniques. The statistical techniques often used are means or M, showing average score, median or MED, showing the middle point in the score distribution, modes or MO, showing a point where most scores are obtained, standard deviation or SD, showing the average deviation of each score from the mean, and percentage, showing proportion of the group in the population. And then the last, the findings. In this research, the findings were in the form of teachers' perceptions about the importance of English for young learners. The first, the widespread assumption that the younger the child learns a new language, the better the result. Generally, the respondents agreed. It was supported from the results of interviews that if the children learned a foreign language early, the children would be easier to receive the material. It was different with adults who were more difficult to learn a new language. And the second, the fact that economic globalization has pushed the demand of English in the form of the workforce who speak English to meet the need of the international economic forces. most of the respondents very accurate. It was supported by the results of the interview with the respondents that the workers needed to speak English in the purpose to compete with the international workers from other countries. And the third, the parents' enthusiasm for their children to learn English early in order to have social and economical benefits in the national context. The respondents agreed it was supported by the results of interviews that nowadays the parents has begun to interest in supporting and facilitating their children to learn English in the courses. Because the parents thought English would be useful for the future of their children. Alright, I think that's enough for my paper presentation. If you find many mistakes in my presentation, please forgive me. Thank you so much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.